Hi, I'm Chef Tyler with UT Culinary Institute, and I'm here today to show you guys how to make a garlic pizza bread for your game day experience. We're going to use an Italian loaf, a serrated knife, and we're going to make a bunch of slices down the French bread about 3/4 of the way through and about 1 inch thick. I like to do it on an angle. It makes for a better presentation. Once we've gone completely down the bread, we're going to turn it and go the opposite way. What we're left with, it'll look kind of like a pine cone. Okay, when you open it up, that's what we're going to use to be able to put all of our ingredients inside. I like to now take our bread and put it in aluminum foil and create kind of a nest for it. This will help keep my area clean. As we start filling it, none of the ingredients are going to go everywhere. First thing we're going to add is garlic butter. This is a little bit of a time-consuming part. We're going to pull it open using a spoon, and we're going to fill all of our cuts with the garlic butter. It's okay if it gets on top. We're going to add more on top anyway. Once we've added butter one way, we're going to turn it, add it the other way with our second cut. This way, every time they pull a piece of the bread, they'll have the garlic butter and all of our other toppings on it. When you finish adding your garlic butter, the next step is going to do the exact same thing using tomato sauce. We're going to start back at the start. We're going to add tomato sauce in the layers. Every cut gets some. All right, we've added our tomato sauce. Now comes the fun part. We get to pick whatever toppings we want to go. We chose to do pepperoni. We're going to take individual slices of pepperoni and do the exact same thing. Put it in on every single cut. Now that we've added our pepperoni, we're going to go ahead and add our last filler, which is going to be our mozzarella cheese. Okay, we're going to pull it open. We're going to put mozzarella cheese all down inside. All right, now that we have it stuffed with our mozzarella cheese, our pepperoni, our tomato sauce, and our garlic butter, we're going to add two final touches. We're going to add more garlic butter on top. This will help add flavor. It's going to help color it. It's going to also help hold our seasonings on top as we bake it. I have a little bit of Italian seasoning mixed with salt. We'll sprinkle that on top. Place this on a baking pan. This is ready to go into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes until the cheese is completely melted. When we pull it out of the oven, this will be our final product. All the layers are ready to pull. It's got cheese, pepperoni, tomato sauce, garlic, and herbs ready to go for your game day. For this recipe, make sure you guys go to alumni.utk.edu/countdown and go Vols.